So I think I just put two and two together, and I just need a no judgment zone and maybe some confirmation. All my life, I've been hyper fixated on learning all that I could about earth sciences. Since I was a little girl, I wanted to be a meteorologist. I wanted to be a geologist, an oceanographer, an astronomer. I even took astronomy in college just for the fun of it. I never wanted to work in the field. I just always wanted to learn about like all of that, weather and natural happenings on Earth and under the crust and layers and even atmosphere. And don't talk about space. Don't talk about space. That is my jam. My favorite movie is Interstellar. Next is Inception, and then Time Trap. Just in case you were wondering. But why is okay? So even now, like my For You page is mostly that kind of content. I follow people who have amazing telescopes. Follow people who follow the weather and track that and fly into the eye of the storm. And so it's always just been. I know a lot about it because it's always been something that I've consumed, and like almost daily, I would have some type of information about fungus or bacteria or just life stuff. I don't know. I'm saying I don't know because I don't know anybody else in my friend group that lives it the way I do. So that's why I say this confirmation will be a little helpful. But the two and two that I put together is I'm actually writing, and I was going to read an excerpt today. So be on the lookout for that if you'd like to hear. But I was writing about water and how I've always just enjoyed studying about it. And it occurred to me that I've been learning about air, fire, earth, and wind, water, fire, and earth. I've been learning about wind, water, fire, and earth my entire life. Recently, I started traveling. Even more recently, interstellarly. When I approached a black hole that was like just there, I approached it and immediately got sucked into like a tube, like spaghetti type thing, and I didn't understand where I was going, and it took a long time to get there, but I stayed this stretched out shape, and then when I got there, I realized it wasn't just a black hole, it was a black hole, and I went through the process of spaghettification, and then when I landed there, I was in this, words escape me, and they usually don't, but I can maybe describe it as like if I were in salt, and the salt grains were super big, and so they look like really big, and it's all around me, and it's like you can see like these little zzz all around the outline of each salt, and I'm like in it, and I cannot move. I can't, like I feel like it's just encased all around me, and I'm just standing there observing, like what, and I don't know, and then I suddenly understand that because I received a message like from the collective. It was like a message that came from all of it. And it said, we are coming to help. That's just what happened like last night. I'm writing about what's been happening since November. What's... I still didn't get to the 2+2 part. I feel like I'm being prepared. I've never had these type of experiences. It's totally foreign to me. I've never consumed that type of content, like ever. And when I started in November, when I started traveling, it wasn't far. In fact, it was right here. I had to start traveling within, and I had to heal a few things. I had to fix a few things. And that process was beautiful. I cannot wait to describe the imagery of rebuilding yourself from the core. It was such a beautiful process. But that had to happen first. And then I met who I needed to meet. And then I went to a few places. I'm being very vague because I want you to read the stuff. Or I might just say it on here. But that's about to go away. I'm so random and I can't stay on topic very well. But yeah, I feel like I'm being prepared. For what? Though. Because I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Do you? Do you?